it comes to topics like the Black Lives Matters movement as well as the LGBTQ community, I believe that those are two separate entities that have absolutely nothing to do with each other and should stay that way. I became a lot perturbed when I looked into the core values of the Black Lives Matter, of which they have 10. Of those 10, I want to talk about a few, of which 2 separate ones is one, queer affirming, the second one is transgender affirming. Now, I'm okay with supporting that. I support the LGBTQ community as well. However, what does any of that have to do with Black Lives Mattering? It takes away the focus from being on Black lives and it pushes it towards all lives. Another one was empathy. Having empathy. Why are we trying to connect with anybody's context but our own? And more importantly, what bothered me the most is seeing that nothing of those 10 core values focused on self-sustainability. Now, one of those core values talked about building Black wealth and financial literacy amongst our Black community. Not one of those core values focused on growing our own food, having our own water supply. This is a major problem. We will never get down to the bottom line of fixing our issues until we learn that we have to take control of our lives. Until then, white supremacy will rule. We have to rule ourselves. And the only way to do that is through self-sustainability. And until that becomes a core value of Black Lives Matters movement, we will always be the doom of ourselves. Now on to the LGBTQ core values. Their core values are very direct and simple. The only things that they are concerned with is loving one another. They want to be accepted. They want equality for their sexual preferences. And outside of that, they want you to understand that all stereotypes don't fit them. Just because they are lesbians doesn't mean they want to identify as such. They want to be accepted as people. It's very direct. It's to the point. There is no confusion. There is no overload in information taking away from the core issues of that specific organization. And I believe that the Black Lives Matter movement can learn a lot from the LGBT community.